Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can making a slide or sliding tackle. So you have to be precisely in timing when you are make a slide, or you will miss this sliding tackle. So let's get start by playing Founders Training here. So I'm in attacking. Let's give the ball first. So we are in defense position. As you can see, this is slide button. So you have to precisely. If you tap slide, you will miss. But if you do with precisely like this, timing is crucial. So don't waste your slide button, or you will uh broken the shape of your defense. And there is a hole in your formation, and your opponent will score easily to your goal. So uh let's defend one more time like this. Slide, you get the ball. So please for trying. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.